Hi guys, and welcome back to my HTML and CSS tutorial. In this video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to change the width of the table, and we also learn what are cell padding and cell spacing. Before I start the lesson, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates. So let's open page 1.html with Notepad++, and here is our table. Let's run our table to see how it is. Okay, this is our table. So I want to change his weight. So how do I do that? I go next to border space and write the word width and then equals to a number. So we are going to say 300. It means 300 pixels. Okay, so we want the width of our table to be 300 pixels. So let's go to the browser and refresh, and you see now the table is in 300 pixels wide. So we can change in whatever pixels we want. We can also give its width by percentage relative to our web page. Okay, so if we want the table to be 100% wide relative to our web page, it will 100% covering all of our web page in our browser. If we change the size of our browser, the percentage of the table will be always the same, as you can see here. So you can use either pixels or the percentage. Let's erase this width and leave it as it was before, and let's see what cell padding is. Let's write cell padding and give it a 20 pixel. Save this, go to the browser and refresh. So these are the cells. We call it cells as in Excel. If you guys use Excel, we call cells to the boxes which we can write some content. So in fact, these are the TDs, the table data tag, and inside them, let's see in the code. Inside of them here, TD tag. Inside we wrote this content, so the TDs are in fact cells. So by cell padding we increased the size of the cell, so we have given a padding, a 20 pixel padding to all the cells. Okay, so the cell will increase 20 pixel wide, so we can increase cells to the number we want here, to all the cells, so we can control the cell size. So now we are going to use cell spacing, and let's give it a number of cell spacing 20 pixels. So cell spacing 20 pixels, save it, open the browser and refresh, and okay, something is different. So the difference between cell padding and cell spacing is that cell padding changes the size of the cell itself, and the cell spacing changes the space or increases the space between each cell. As you can see, there is a little space between each cell, and the cells themselves they all have the same size. Okay, let's increase this to 50 pixel. Cell spacing, as the word says, cell and space. So spacing each cell. So let's save this and refresh, and now it increases the space between each cell. Okay guys, I hope I made this clear for you, but if you didn't understand something or have any question or suggestion, please post your questions and suggestions in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.